Hello students, today I am going to explain you from 5th problem to 11th problem. So let's understand the problem and the concept how I am solving the problem. Let's understand it and try to solve the each solution. So here the determinant is given as you can see that in the video. So here it is equal to what? So let's have a look at it here. So here we will get first we will take the question b1 plus c1, b2 plus c2, b3 plus c3, c1 plus a1, c2 plus a2, c3 plus a3, a1 plus b1, a2 plus b2, a3 plus b3. So here it will be equal to what? So let's understand this. So here we'll understand how it is possible to solve this problem in an easy and clear way. So let's understand this. So first for this we should do c1 tends to. So if we add both these three of them, we'll get the answer as 2 into c1 tends to c1 plus c2 plus c3. So you'll get 2. 2 I am taking outside. 2 into a1 plus b1 plus c1, a2 plus b2 plus c2, a3 plus b3 plus c3, c1 plus a1, c2 plus a2, c3 plus a3, a1 plus b1, a2 plus b2, a3 plus b3. So here next we're gonna see how we will substitute and do next steps. So let's understand this. So here we will take two row operations. Two row operations are what here? So let's understand this. So next we should make it two row operations, that are c2 tends to c2 minus c1. So here c2 tends to c2 minus c1, and also c3 tends to c3 minus c1. c3 tends to c3 minus c1. So here we'll get the answer as this will be same, 2 into a1 plus b1 plus c1. I'm not writing it, I'm taking as it is symbol, so that you will understand easily and it won't be lengthy video. So here you will get to know that it's as it is, I am writing it as it is. So change will be here, change will be here and here. So here I am writing here it will be, see here, c1 a1. So substituting differentiate subtracting this from this, we will get b1 b2 b3, c1 c2 c3. So here it will be getting like this. So next we should do c1 tends to here. Next we should uh, remove this. So here we will get we should remove this, so as to get the options similar option. So you will remove c1 tends to c1 minus c2 minus c3. So you will get a1 a2 a3, b1 b2 b3, c1 c2 c3. So here it is the answer. So B option is the correct option. So this is the solution. You can copy it in the notes so that it will be useful in the future. So it is a problem. It's a very simple problem. You can understand it easily and you can score in your examination. Next, sixth problem. If alpha comma beta and gamma are the roots of the equation p x cube, you can see that the value of the determinant. So let's understand this. So here it is given that alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of the given equation. So here we should first find the roots and similar and the relation between roots and the quadratic equation, or uh, quadratic equation in two variables. So let's understand this. So here from the equation above, you can see that alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0. Why this is so? So here in the equation it is not given. Alpha plus beta plus gamma coefficient is not given, so it can be equated to 0. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0. Then we can easily understand that alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0. Then it will be, the determinant will be 0. So here uh, here we will make C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So here alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma. So here beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, alpha, beta. So here it will be 0 0 0 beta. So I will take as it is, it will be. So here it will be lastly equated to as 0. So here none of this is the correct option. So let's tick the correct option as none of this. So tick also here. So here this is the correct option. So here it is the correct option. It is the correct option. So let's understand the seventh problem now. If p equal to 2 comma 1 comma 0, that you can see is in this video, then what is the value of this determinant? So let's understand this. By easily understanding the concept, I will revise you the concept here. So here is nothing is concept there. So you will find the determinant in the as it is way. So here first determinant is p equal to 2 1 0 3 1 2 5 2 3. So here 2 into 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus plus minus plus. You all know that it will be plus minus plus. It's a short trick to find the determinant. So here 2 into minus 1 into 9 minus 8 1. This is 0. We will won't take this. So here it will be minus 2 minus of minus 1 minus of minus 1. So here minus 3. So here so here is a small mistake here. So here 5 2s are 10 here. So here it will be plus 3. So plus 3 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. Next we should find the, so here have you got it up to here? Have you got it? I think so. It's 6p, 6p here. So next we're gonna understand is eighth problem. So here let's understand the eighth problem now. So here you all know that 1 2 3 are in arithmetic progression, because 2 into 2 is 4, 4 equal to 3 plus 1. So it is an arithmetic progression. 2b equal to a plus c. So here 1 2 3 2 3 4 and also a comma b comma c are in ap. They are given in the question. So here we'll understand how this problem is related and its simplification in the easy manner. So let's understand this. So let's copy the question. Here you differentiate this one as C2, C1, C2, C3, R1, R2, R3. So here we will take respectively the equation or row operation as R1 tends to R1 plus R2, R1 plus R3 minus 2R2. So here as to get the first row as 0. So here you will get 0 0 0. How it will be uh, uh, x plus x is 2x, 2x minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 4, 4 equal to 1 plus 3. So it will be 0, x plus 2 it will be as it is. So here I will representing it with double dash. So it will be 0. So your option is b. B is the correct option. So next we're gonna understand ninth problem now. Ninth problem is what here? So here given equation. It's a as I have explained you, it's a square matrix here. So next we're gonna understand how to solve this problem. So here C2 tends to, you will write it as C2 tends to C2 minus C1. So here C2 minus C1 and comma. Next is what here? C3 tends to C3 minus C1 here. So here let's copy the question here. Level 12 13, 12 13 14, 13 14 15. So here these all are in arithmetic progression. So here arithmetic progression means what here? So for arithmetic progression, the answer will be 0 here. It's a simple logic, and how it is possible, I will explain in next video. If you want separate video, I will explain clearly in separate video. Please comment down in the comment section. I will explain clearly. So next, so I will explain in this video only. See here, R1 tends to R1 plus R3 minus 2 R2. So it will be 0. So here 0 0 0, under it anything will be there, it will be 0. So answer will be 0 here. So for any arithmetic progression in the matrix, so you will get the answer as 0 here. So here if every element of the third order of determinant of value multiplied by 5, then the value of new determinant is. So here third order determinant. So it's a simple problem here. If every element of a third order determinant. So third order determinant is what here? Square matrix of 3 into 3. 3 by 3 matrix. So here 3 by 3 determinants. So here let's take A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 5. This taking to outside. 5 into 5 into 5 is what here? 125 dead. So option D is the correct option here. It's a basic objective questions, so these are not very complex, so these are easy, but for advanced questions it will be somehow complex. So let's understand 11th problem now. If a square minus a plus I is equal to 0, then inverse of a is. So here we should find the inverse of a. So here we must understand what is the inverse. So here we will multiply a inverse to all the problems. A square, a inverse into a square is what here? A into a inverse is what here? A I into a inverse is what here? So let's understand this easily. A minus I plus a inverse. So here equal to 0. So here I minus a equal to a inverse. So I minus a is what here? C is the correct option here. So let's understand this. If you got understanding, next let's move to the next problem. So here it will be given as, if a equal to 1 0 I, then which of the following holds for all n greater than 1 greater than or equal to 1 by the mathematical induction. So do you know the mathematical induction? I will explain clearly in the next video. The video length is going on increasing, so I will explain in the next video. Till then, please stay safe and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this, for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching, friends. Bye.